Okay, so here we have a common computer problem. I turn it on. It's just making a noise. And there's no display on the monitor, but we have the amber light. So let's see how we can fix that. The first thing I would do is power the computer off. Hold the power button until it cuts off. Lay it down. Remove the power button. Unplug the power cord. And let's go ahead and unplug all the other peripherals as well. And I would open it up. So this particular Dell computer, it has this large screw, which I like. No need for a screwdriver. Slide the side off, lift it up, and let's get in there. Okay, so I'm placing my hands on an unpainted part of the case so I can ground myself. And let's take a look at the board first to see how healthy it is. I'll bring the light closer. All of the capacitors look good. There is some dust on the heatsink, CPU fan, but yeah, so all the capacitors look good. And we know the capacitors are what distributes power throughout the motherboard. Okay, so the first thing I would do is actually reseat the memory sticks. And so here they are. There's 2 memory sticks in this computer. And look here. That one was not in properly. Did you see that? It was not in properly. So let's actually just try and turn it on right now. We're not gonna take them out. That's just let's plug in the power cord. And let's plug in the VGA or the video cable. It's what connects to the monitor. And we're gonna just power it on and see what happens. Back up. There you go, you got that beep. That's the beep that shows the post. And if you look, there we go. We have a display on the monitor. And so many times it's usually just a memory issue. So I've set the computer up. Now you notice the power light is on, but now I'm getting another error. Okay, so it says diskette drive 0, seek failure, CMOS checksum error, defaults loaded. So that's 2 errors. You could press F1 to continue and the computer will most likely boot, but if you want to actually remove those errors or check them, then you would press F2 to go into the BIOS setup. So let's do that. Press F2 on your keyboard. And here we go. So first of all, let's check the CMOS. There you go. So that's the problem we have right there. The date is incorrect. Okay. And that usually comes from the CMOS battery. It could be that the battery itself is failing, or it needs to be changed. But then most likely we would have gotten an error to that effect. And so most likely it's just may have been because this user had their computer off for a very long time. Okay, so let's correct that. I believe today is the 17th. And I believe it is 2020. And what is the time? 8:36 a.m. Okay, so SATA 0, that's the hard drive. Alright. Let me come back. SATA 1, that's the DVD-ROM drive. Okay. Now this right here, the drive A, that's the floppy drive. Okay. It's saying that it didn't see a floppy drive. So actually, let's just disable that. We're going to tell the computer there is no drive A, so stop looking for it. So now we changed that to none. So we corrected the CMOS error by fixing the date and time, and then we corrected the floppy drive error. And then we're going to do F10 to save. Press F10 on the keyboard. And yes, we want to save, so we do a Y. And we press enter. And now the computer should boot. There we get that one beep to say that it's going through. And now it should continue to boot without any other errors. And there we go. The lovely Windows logo.